Let's try one more. This is a case of the killer hiccups, and this pertains to a woman, Beatriz Robledo, 47, of a small town in Argentina. Her husband was hiccuping away. He developed chronic hiccups, and it was just driving her bats. So while he was napping on the sofa, she decided to try one of the mythical remedies for curing a hiccup. She donned a hideous mask, and when he awoke, she thought she'd be scared. Well, he was scared. He reached for a knife and plunged it into her chest. Then he was shocked to find that it was his wife, so he dumped her in the local septic tank. Ultimately, though, he was conscience-stricken and confessed his crime to the police. But I think the moral is here, if your spouse is hiccuping away, just let them do it. You don't want this to happen.